I had never heard of couchsurfing before moving to a new city. A friend told me about it, saying it was a great way to explore a new place and meet new people. The basic idea is that you stay with locals for free instead of paying for a hotel or an Airbnb. It's basically like the old-timey concept of couchsurfing, but with an app to match you with people who have couches. Being the cheapskate that I am, I decided to try it out. I downloaded the app and made an account. I then saw that there were two options. Either being a surfer who wants to crash on someone's couch, or being a host who can offer up their couch to surfers. As I was new in town, I decided to do both. Maybe I would get lucky and find a couch to sleep on. And maybe someone would want my couch if they were visiting. After posting my profile, I waited for requests. In the meantime, I checked out the surfers tab. Most of the profiles looked normal. Just people wanting a place to stay. Some looked a little sketchy, but I didn't think anything of it since couchsurfing is not like Airbnb where you can easily see reviews of the people you're re-interacting with. Then I got a request from someone. I checked out their profile. They looked normal. Their profile said that they were a 24-year-old guy named Oliver, who was visiting from out of town. He was only in town for one night, and his flight got in late. He seemed like a nice guy, and he was only staying for one night. So I accepted his request. When Oliver arrived, he was very polite and thanked me for hosting him. We chatted for a bit, and he told me that he was visiting to see his girlfriend who went to school here. I asked him if he wanted to order in, and he said that he preferred to go somewhere. Since I hadn't eaten in a while, I agreed. We went to this really cool pizza place and we talked for hours. He was so interesting and funny, and I found myself really enjoying his company. When we finished eating, we headed back to my apartment and we watched some TV. At some point, he fell asleep on my couch and I let him. I didn't want to be rude and wake him up. In the middle of the night though, I got a text from a number I didn't recognize. I picked up my phone, and it was Oliver. He said that he was sorry to bother me at this hour, but he forgot his wallet at the restaurant and he needed to get back there. See, he said. His girlfriend was asleep, and he didn't want to wake her up, so he was wondering if I could lend him some money. I felt bad because he did seem pretty broke. And it was the middle of the night. So I said, sure, how much do you need? He said he needed $80, and I sent it over. In the morning, he woke up and apologized profusely for falling asleep on my couch. I told him it was okay and that I enjoyed the company. I did not mention the weird text he sent me in the middle of the night because I didn't want to make him feel uncomfortable. But after he left, I checked my messages. This is what he said. Hey, thanks for everything last night. You're an awesome person. Here are some pics from last night. I then opened the photos. He sent me two pictures. One was a selfie of him in my apartment building's elevator. The other picture was of my unlocked desktop computer. I instantly panicked. He had stolen my wallet, my phone, my keys, and my passport. Since couchsurfing doesn't do background checks on people, I'm guessing he wasn't the only sketchy person using the app. As much as I love free food, I won't be using couchsurfing anytime soon. Thanks for listening to my story. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And if you didn't like it, hey, you can always leave a dislike. Just remember, in the comment section down below, why you hated it. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.